Hello and welcome to another video. So today I have a strap. So I mentioned this in my previous video. I ordered a strap. Now I'm trying to check out the cheap straps available on Amazon and try to figure out which are good ones to consider for our affordable watches. So you may have seen this watch previously. So this is my rotary automatic watch. I bought the strap for this one. Now, this is the third strap I've had on this watch since I got it back in 2006. The original strap lasted a very long time. Then I got a cheap Titan strap, which was literally falling apart. So I got this one, and this was like a temporary solution, if you will, because I went to the watch shop and they did not have the right size. So this is 18 millimeter lug width. This strap is like a 20. So you may see here the guy, he said he'll cut a little bit off and adjust it. So that's what he did. But I've never felt comfortable with the idea. The other thing is this is like a very square blunt strap and I just don't like the look of it. Also, I did not pay attention, but the buckle is silver when the dial is gold. So all these little things made me want to change this. So I've gone with a different strap here with a proper 18 millimeter, so we can check it out and see how it goes with this watch. Hopefully it does well. So let's open this up. I feel two things here. Maybe like both the straps are split apart. I did get a small scissor. I paid about 300 rupees for this one. It's from a company called EXOR, EXOR. So I'm hoping it's at least somewhat decent and we can have a good look. So we have invoices. Okay, what is this? Watch strap assembly instructions. Okay, it looks all right. Not bad at all. We also seem to have a spring bar. Okay, so there's one already in the strap. The other one is here. Okay, no problem. So yeah, it's all right. Not bad. I've got some instructions. So this is the brand here, EXOR watch straps. Oh, the hell. Oh. Okay, so here. Come on. So I went with like a brown color this time. Okay, I don't think there's anything else here. So it seems like a nice thick strap. Now, uh, from the pictures, I remember, yeah, it is gold, so that is good. 18, that is good. Yeah, I think this is good. So I'll try and do this if I can, because it's hard for me to see with the phone through the phone camera. But if I can do it properly, I'll leave it here. Otherwise, I'll edit it out. All right. So after much fiddling, I managed to finally get this in. So overall, the strap seems decent. Nothing's particularly great, but it's a decent quality strap. For the price, I can't complain much. It's got the matching buckle, brown strap, and I think it looks much better than it did on this one. So yeah, overall, I'm happy with this. The only negative I would say for this one is on the Amazon listing, they showed those quick release spring bars in the pictures, but this strap isn't like that. It's just the normal one without this quick release. So now, to be fair, for this price, I wasn't expecting a quick release, but it did show it on the pictures. So I'm a little annoyed by that. Let's say should have it, otherwise they should have put it in the pictures. So yeah, otherwise the strap is decent quality, looks nice and padded, and yeah, overall I would say not a bad strap. I'll probably write a detailed review on the listing, but in the meantime I think this is not a bad one for 300 rupees. So yeah, hopefully this was useful. This is from the EXOR watch straps, so these ones. Nice packaging, spring bars, and the strap. Nothing else here. Um, yeah, I think it is fine for what we have. Thank you for watching and see you next time.